So one of the things that you can do inside of SketchUp is go ahead and enable out shadows as well to show how it would look in different scenarios. So for that, I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to make some shapes right here to simulate, let's say, for example, buildings. And I'm going to go ahead and then pull these up right here. So right now there is no shadows whatsoever right here. But if I want to go ahead and enable out shadows, then I can actually go around over here onto view and click on shadows. And then you can see that this is the light source. And then you can see the shadows right here, just like this, which simulates out how it would look in sunlight. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and change the shadow settings. Then I can actually go around over here onto Windows. Then I can go to default tree and then go to shadows right here, just like this. So now you can see that as I were to close this, you can see that I have the shadow right here. So you can see that I can expand and then let's say minimize it, and you can go ahead and change the time as well. For example, you can see how it would look on 6 a.m., noon, and at the evening time right here. You can see that the shadow changes out. Similarly, I can change around the date right here, just like this as well. So you can see that I can go ahead and change out the date, and then based on that, it'll go ahead and simulate out the lighting. And then you can see that the sun goes more onto the top and so forth right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and change around the light to be darker or brighter right here. So once you work around with the light, what actually happens is that it goes ahead and then changes out the bright parts where the sunlight hits. So you can see that this is no sunlight. You can increase out the sunlight. The dark areas are for the ones that you have shadows in. So the dark areas, you can make the shadows much more darker or brighter, as you can see right here, and simulate out different lighting settings right here. And now you can see that it is quite dynamic right here. You can even go ahead and, let's say, for example, choose a time zone. Let's say, for example, like UTC 12:45, and then you get the simulation accordingly right here. You can also use the sun for shading as well if you want, and then you can go ahead and enable or disable the shadows on faces or disable it out so that you can just see the shadows on faces. You can enable and disable the shadows on the ground, and then you can also go around and then display the edges shadow. You don't see it much like, let's say, for example, in detail right here, but you can go ahead and enable and disable these out, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and work around with the shadows if you want to go ahead and view it. If you want to turn it off, simply go ahead and turn off the shadows or turn it on whenever you want, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.